Today I have came with a new video of latest and unique henna mehndi designs for you. I hope you will like all of these designs and will try to apply on your own hands, because these designs are too much easy and are easy to apply. You can easily apply it on your own hands on your special events such as engagement or Eid festivals and so many occasions. And if you are liking my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share and comment on my video for latest